First, finish editing your project. Once your project is ready, go to the top right corner. Click on Share. Then click on Download. Now you will see different download options. Click on File Type. Choose the file format you want to save your project in. For example, you can choose PDF. After selecting the file type, you may see additional options. Choose the settings you need for your file. For a PDF, you can select Flatten PDF if needed. Now click Download. Canva will start preparing your file. Once the download is complete, the file will be saved to your computer. You can usually find it in your Downloads folder. That's it. This is how you can save your Canva project to your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.